Welcome to Technology Best Product Review channel. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be giving you more reviews of good everyday essentials products in the future. If you want to know about the product mentioned in my video or want to get the product, click on the link provided in the description box and learn more about the product. In today's busy world, people's busyness is increasing daily. Even if people don't want to, people have to spend a lot of busy time due to various reasons. As before, people are not able to spend enough time with their children. After all, no parent wants their child to grow up embracing loneliness. So conscious parents adopt different ways to keep their children together. And in my view, these are the smartest parents in the world. And to ease the worries of these smart parents, I will discuss a smart product. It is introducing the Infantino Flip Advanced 4-in-1 Carrier, a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to make parenting a breeze. With an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from a whopping 66,307 ratings, it's no wonder this carrier is the #1 best seller in baby and toddler carriers. Key features. Convertible design. This carrier offers a 4-in-1 convertible design, allowing you to carry your little one in multiple positions. Easily switch between facing in and facing out options, making it suitable for newborns and older babies weighing between 8 to 32 pounds. Adjustable ergonomics. The carrier boasts an adjustable ergonomic seat, ensuring your baby's comfort. The shoulder straps and waist belt are also adjustable, allowing you to shift the weight to the wearer's hips for a more comfortable and personalized fit. Hands-free convenience. Enjoy hands-free convenience with this carrier, offering you the flexibility to run errands or explore parks while keeping your baby close. It's not just a career, it's an opportunity for bonding and developmental benefits for your little one. Wide range of styles. Choose from a variety of stylish colors, including gray, black denim, camo, leopard, light gray, rainbow, and sandy tan. Express your style while keeping your baby secure and close. Smart design for happy parenting. Infantino is dedicated to smartly designed products for happy parenting. The 4-in-1 carrier reflects its commitment to creating innovative, fun, and practical solutions for parents everywhere. Adjustability for all lifestyles. Adjustable 2-position seat. Padded shoulder straps. Supportive waist belt. Care instructions. Machine washable for easy maintenance. Great price deal. Take advantage of the current 24% discount, bringing the price down to $28.84 from the original $37.99. Act fast as over 10,000 units have been sold in the past month. Global shipping. Shipping details to USA include a $36.83 fee, and there are no import fee deposits. Explore purchasing options with other sellers for potentially lower prices, though they may not offer free prime shipping. Choose the Infantino Flip Advanced 4-in-1 Carrier for a comfortable, stylish, and versatile solution to carry your baby through various stages. Experience the joy of parenting with a product thousands of parents love worldwide.